Running my SC10. Got a Savox servo in it, Mamba, our Castle Creations Mamba Max speed controller in it, and I'm running on a 2S LiPo. It still has a stock motor in it and a 23 tooth pinion gear, but figured I'd get a quick run of this puppy running out here. It's got Trencher tires on it as well. Proline Trencher short course tires on it, that is. Let's take this thing off-road real quick. This thing cruised along pretty good for having the stock 3300 kV motor in it. Oh, wasn't planning that one. Anyway, quick run of this. Want to show this to you guys. As always, don't forget to like or dislike, subscribe if you have not. Put your comments below. And also follow me on Twitter at JT_RC. That's JAYTEE_RC. Thanks guys for watching.